Yeah, so generally if your child has been injured in a school bus accident, and it really depends on the school district in which you live, in which your child lives. I mean, you have the Buffalo City Schools, you have the Rochester City Schools, then you have the suburban school districts, and then you have private schools. So what you really have to look at is you have to look at how that district, how that school district manages their transportation. Do they own their own buses or do they contract out? Do they have their own drivers or do they contract out? Those are the determining factors which will decide how that case is pursued. So it's very important right off the bat because it could be that you're dealing with a municipality like a city and you do have to give notice within 90 days. And if you miss that deadline, you could be out of luck and any rights that you have for your child or for yourself when that child has been injured on a school bus may go right out the window. So it's very important to come in to see us right away. We have a lot of experience in these type of cases, and you want to make sure that your rights are protected to make sure that any claim that's going to be filed is done so in a timely fashion. And the second thing is that you have to make sure that we investigate properly to make sure that we can determine who owned the school bus and who was the driver of that school bus. Because sometimes it's a municipality, but sometimes it's some sort of private enterprise, and you need to be able to make that determination that you are pursuing the right person in making your claim.